Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of having more money, but you don't know how to make it happen? If so, then you're in luck, because today we're going over methods by Neville Goddard that could potentially change your life for the best. We'll go over his most powerful technique, and before we share that with you, you should know who Neville Goddard is. Neville Goddard was a writer and lecturer who taught a philosophy of mind power and spiritual development. He believed that we create our reality through our thoughts and beliefs. One of the ways he taught people to manifest money was through the use of visualization and affirmations. The first part of the affirmation method is when it comes to money, you need to figure out what you want. Once you know what you're aiming for, you can start focusing your thoughts and actions on making it happen. But you need to be absolutely clear about it. It's not enough to just say, "I want more money." That's just too vague. You have to be very specific about the amount you want and set up a very realistic timeline to achieve it. Got your financial goals set? Now it's time to put your mind to work. Start visualizing yourself with a big bank, and you'll have to actually believe in it, align your thoughts with your goals, and let the universe know you're not gonna stop until it's yours. Now is the time to strategize. Make a game plan, set a budget, explore ways to make extra cash, or invest wisely. The idea is to align your actions with your financial goal, so you're actively working towards making it a reality. Did you know that when you create an affirmation, you must focus on the positive aspect? Creating a positive affirmation is all about programming your mind for success, especially when it comes to money. It's a technique used to train your brain to believe that you're already attracting wealth. Allow us to share some steps and make it easier for you. First, choose a positive statement about money that feels good to you. It should be something you genuinely believe in, like "money is always finding its way to me," or "I effortlessly attract money into my life." Now that's done, you make sure to say your affirmation as if it's happening right now. Instead of saying you might one day or will make a lot of money someday, try saying "I am making money." This is a trick that makes your mind say "I'm already making money." When Neville Goddard talks about feeling, he's talking about how you feel deep down inside, like your emotions and stuff. It's not just about thinking or imagining things in your head, but feeling them in your gut. Let's say you want to make huge amounts of money and you've imagined yourself with a huge stack. It won't work unless you feel it. Make sense? Imagine what it feels like when you have all that money at your disposal right now. How does it feel? Do you get excited? Grateful? Happy? Hold on to that emotion as if you've already got the money in your hands. The idea here is that when you really feel it, like really, really feel it, you're putting out this powerful vibe into the universe. The universe from here, or whatever you want to call it, gets to work. It picks up on that vibe and brings you the circumstances and opportunities to make that money your reality. But here's the thing, you really have to hold on and keep feeling it. Not just for a few minutes, but as much as you can throughout the day, every day. By doing that, you'll keep that feeling alive inside you. And that's exactly how you keep attracting the good stuff. Are you prepared for the most challenging part? That's where staying persistent comes in. Persistence is all about not giving up, no matter what. It's about sticking to your goals and pushing through challenges, even when things get tough. When you're persistent, you keep going even when life throws obstacles in your way. Think of persistence as having a never give up attitude. It's about being stubborn in a good way, refusing to let setbacks or failures deter you. You bounce back from disappointments and use them as stepping stones to success. Being persistent means being consistent. You show up day after day, putting in the effort and working towards your goals. Even if progress seems slow, you keep at it because you know that small steps forward eventually add up to big results. Now, being persistent doesn't mean following a rigid, straight path that leads to nowhere. Persistence also requires flexibility. You're not rigidly stuck to one way of doing things. You're willing to adapt and try different approaches if something isn't working. You're open to feedback and new ideas that can help you get closer to your goals. Patience is the hardest part here. It's important to be patient when you're persistent. Success doesn't happen overnight, and setbacks are part of the journey. You understand that good things take time and are willing to stay committed even if it feels like you're waiting forever. It's all about having that never giving up attitude. Neville Goddard said that belief played a huge role in making money. It's all about truly and deeply believing that what you want is not only possible, but totally within your reach. Believing in it goes way beyond just wishing for success and hoping for the best. It's about having rock-solid confidence in your ability to make money flow into your life. When you have real belief, you kick doubts and limiting thoughts to the curb. To build up your belief game, Goddard had a couple of tricks up his sleeve. Take a trip down memory lane. Think back to those times when you hit the money jackpot or had unexpected financial wins. Remember those moments of victory and let them remind you that you've got the skills and all that it takes to make money happen. Now, surround yourself with a visual reminder of money and success. Stick up pictures of fancy cars and dream houses. Go to that fancy restaurant and order the best steak on the menu. The idea is to be in a competitive environment that keeps on reminding you that with enough hard work, you'll eventually get there too. It's all about creating that atmosphere. Got all these points down? Good. Now we move on to the most important part, and that is faith. Neville Goddard believed that it all starts with faith. You've got dreams of financial abundance dancing in your head, but how do you make them a reality? First, you've got to trust in the process. This is believing that the universe is hatching up some kind of a plot that is on your side and is more eager than you are to turn your dreams into reality. You need to put faith in your creative abilities too. Have huge faith in yourself and keep telling yourself that you're the master of your own destiny. Trust that you have what it takes to manifest the money you desire. Let go of all doubts and fears. Just shake them off. That's a bad habit. Doubts are like these dream killers, and once you start doubting, it's all downwards from here. Replace those negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Create that positive mindset and possibility. You've got this. Be confident in whatever you do. Don't shy away from a task. Hold on to that unshakable belief that your money is already on its way to you. Stay patient, trust the timing, and see how the process unfolds. What do you think about this powerful technique? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video and found it interesting, then make sure to leave us a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be always updated with the most exciting content as soon as it's uploaded. Thanks for watching. See you again soon in another video.